You want to learn Photoshop and become a professional graphic designer making a monthly income working as a freelancer? Whether you have a slight experience or none whatsoever, this course will start with you from the beginning. You will learn to add images and files to the software, open new projects, and you will get to know the whole software interface, tools, and menus. You will also learn how to add brushes, fonts, and filters. All of this is just the first phase. In the advanced phase, we will move to work on professional designs. I will show you how to adjust and change text, and how to apply great effects on them. How to adjust, change, and correct colors of an image. Clean and soften the skin without leaving any wrinkles. Convert images taken in the day to night. Hide anything or any object from an image without leaving any trace. Change the character appearance and look. Change backgrounds in a professional way. Create and adjust a 3D text. Change a still image to an animated one and how to convert it to a video. All of the above and more is available in this course, so all you have to do is to subscribe.